Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today a great product review guys. We got LED bulbs for that Honda Odyssey, okay, that we've been building on the channel, we know about it. We got LED bulbs for low and high beams. Okay, we want to see how they perform, what they look like. Okay, that's the company. We'll have the link for the bulbs in the description of the video. You can find their store if you want to get one yourself. Okay, that's what it comes with. Warranty card. Okay, and email address if you want to contact them for something, if you have a problem. Looks like a good company. Okay, this is the headlight bulb. Preferably never touch the LED part with your fingers. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and install it now and see how they're going to perform and how complicated the procedure will be. But it looks like it just plug and play. Both of them are pretty simple design, nothing complicated. So let's see how they will look and perform on that Honda Odyssey now. Alright guys, so in our case we'll need a Phillips screwdriver just to remove to get the screws a little bit loose here for the bulb, because otherwise sometimes you might not be able to remove the bulb. Okay, those are original factory bulbs in that Honda, so we'll squeeze down there and pull the plug out. Okay, have to help it there a little bit because it's a little bit limited room in that vehicle. Okay, and actually the bulb will come out and then we'll pull the plug. Okay, so we can get our second hand there. And don't touch the glass part of the bulbs with your fingers. If you do, make sure you clean it with alcohol and clean cloth, because the grease from your fingers will cause new bulbs to burn fast. Okay, this is the original low beam bulb, 9HB4. Okay, right here it's 9006. Okay, so this is 9005. Okay, so we need this one right here now. 9006. Okay, also you can read it right here. It says, okay, you can find more information on 9006 here. So let's go ahead and see how it's going to be fitting now there. I'm super excited to see how they perform. Okay, so we just turn it now clockwise, about quarter revolution. Okay, like that, and we need to get the, okay, turn it a little bit, we need to get the 3 screws tight. And what is cool about, especially about that Honda, is that the bulbs will stay cool, because that's the fan in the back, and that way they will not get hot, and they will perform for a very long time. So let's go ahead, connect the wire now. Okay, it's supposed to be just plug and play, just like you're replacing a regular bulb. Okay, perfect. It's in all the way. Now we will need to remove the battery so we can access better and shoot the video for the high beam. If you're doing passenger side, you need to remove the power steering reservoir by just pulling it up, okay, and getting it out of the way like that, so you can reach. This is pretty simple, but we want to remove the battery guys so we can show you a little bit better the replacement of the bulb, because otherwise it's practically impossible to get the camera there, as you can see. Okay, battery is out, and now we have here, okay, let me turn the light on. Way more room, okay, to reach the bulb, which is located right there. Okay, we got it out. Okay, this is the bulb guys. Okay, let's disconnect it now quick, and it's stuck pretty good. Okay, right there. Well, let's see what this one says now. Okay, HB3U. Okay, so this is the 9005, 9005, which is this bulb. Okay, So we're going to connect it, install it, and see how they perform next. Alright guys, so we have the bulbs installed now. Okay, I'm going to turn the lights in the shop. It's still daylight. So imagine how much better it's going to perform at night compared to even now. So let's see, really excited about it. Okay, let's turn them on. Okay, low beams work fine, high beams as well. So now let's check the pattern on low beams only. Okay, look at that, it's the same pattern. People will say that you're blind people. No, you will not. A well-designed bulb will have the same pattern. That's high beams now. And it's pretty much close to the same high beams as well. Low beams, it's great. Okay, let me show you what it looks from here. Okay, and this is a regular bulb. Okay, right there. You can check the difference, guys, yourself. Really good product. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.